Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you trying to set up your TP-Link RE403BE? This video explains the TP-Link RE403BE Wi-Fi 7 range extender WPS setup in an easy-to-follow way. Follow along as we connect the extender, verify the signal, and prepare it to provide better wireless coverage. This beginner-friendly TP-Link RE403BE setup guide makes the entire WPS installation process quick and easy. If you're installing the TP-Link RE403BE for the first time or want to improve Wi-Fi coverage in a weak signal area, this step-by-step tutorial will help you get started. So let's start the setup process. First, plug the RE403BE into a power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. Do not place it in the Wi-Fi dead zone yet. The initial WPS pairing should be performed close to the router so the extender receives a strong signal. Wait for the extender to power up completely. The power LED should indicate that the extender is operating. Once the RE403BE is powered on, press the WPS button on your main router. The router should begin its WPS pairing process, normally indicated by a flashing WPS/Wi-Fi LED. You now have a limited pairing window, so proceed to the extender promptly. TP-Link's instructions specify pressing the router and extender WPS buttons within approximately 2 minutes. Within about 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the TP-Link RE403BE. The extender's wireless/signal LED should begin blinking while it attempts to establish the connection. Do not unplug the extender during this process. The router and extender will communicate automatically and exchange the wireless connection information. Now wait for the WPS process to finish. The signal LED should eventually change to indicate that the connection has been established. According to TP-Link's RE403BE/RE405BE quick installation information, blinking signal LED means WPS connection is in progress. Or solid blue signal LED means successful connection with a suitable signal. After successful pairing, the repeater creates an extended Wi-Fi network. The network name usually appears as your Wi-Fi name _xt or your Wi-Fi name repeater. The password will be the same as your main router password. Unplug the repeater and move it to a location between the router and the weak signal area. Now the setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.